Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings, go to General then Keyboard. First, confirm the language keyboard you want is added, because Autocorrect follows that language. Once done, make sure iPad OS is current and Wi-Fi is enabled for syncing. Now tap Keyboard to reveal options. You'll see Autocorrect, Predictive, and Text Replacement. Don't linger on basics. Enable the main toggles so corrections can begin immediately, and prepare to customize replacements in the next step. Next, enable autocorrect and predictive typing so the keyboard suggests words as you type. This improves speed and accuracy. Then tap text replacement to add shortcuts. Create a few high-value entries like email or address expansions. If you use multiple languages, add each keyboard and set the primary one. Autocorrect switches automatically. For a physical keyboard, check hardware keyboard settings and adjust autofill options. These steps control both how suggestions finish by testing in notes or messages. Type common words and intentional typos to see autocorrect behavior. If corrections are wrong or missing, reset the keyboard dictionary to clear learn mistakes, then restart your iPad. Make sure iPad OS is up to date. Updates often fix keyboard bugs. If an issue remains, toggle auto-correct and predictive off and back on, and re-add the language keyboard. That one troubleshooting tip, resetting the dictionary, often resolves persistent, learned errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.